We're doing a lot of walking. We're walking and we're walking and we're walking, and I just noticed it looks like this berm here is like man-made, but
yeah, I was just looking on top of that. We were down there.
So we're heading to, what is it, Bear Rock?
The Bear Rock. Yep.
We're heading to the Bear Rocks. This is on the other side of where the parking lot is for the Knob, Bake Oven Knob. And it's still part of the Appalachian Trail. So if you continue with this way, this will actually take you right out to 309. Right at, I think it's Blue Mountain Restaurant at the top of the peak there. So towards...
What'd you find, hon?
Towards,
a what?
Andrews is going to be... Actually, Andrews is going to be on that side.
Should be right below it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So she's back here finding hair ties. I don't know. I was wondering where I left that. A little nice little depression right here.
Yeah. We saw that burn over there.
Another one right here.
I know up in Hawk Mountain they were harvesting sand, sending it down a tramway from up there. I don't know what they would have been getting here besides rock and wood.
That'd be interesting to see.
Almost there. I think I see it up ahead.
Okay, so he's only said that 10 times now. We're almost there.
We're closer than we were before.
Exactly.
Oh.
Now Ernie threw some more.
Why?
They're heavy.
They're supposed to be heavy.
Hey, I got lucky. I found these under my bed. I didn't even know I had them.
Oh, wow.
Because I lost my good, expensive hiking shoes that I got at Harper's Ferry.
Oh.
I don't know where they went. They're gone.
Huh. Yeah, looks like that continued then.
Oh, yeah. You can see it's like, that almost looks man-made here. Because it's kind of like, almost like dug out right here. But there's a berm here with a lot of rocks and stuff in it. I mean, I could be wrong, but to me it looks man-made.
Red trail. Actually, just be the top of the mountain.
Yeah, probably.
I don't know. There's another one of these.
Oh yeah, Carbon County here. East Penn. And Game Lands. This side says Game Lands. This side has a steel rod going through it.
67.
And
I was in California.
don't know what that is.
East Penn Township.
And this says Game Land too. 67.
I was in California.
Oh, that's a good shot.
That's on the growls. Oh, here's a good shot.
Ooh, there's a fire pit right there. Fire ring.
Yeah. Old one.
I fell into a burning ring of fire. Sorry. Oh yeah, here's a fire ring right here, and it's almost like somebody tried to make a shelter here with it.
Long time ago.
Got a little bit of charred to it in spots. Not a lot though. So this may have been somebody's hangout at one time or a campsite.
Huh? Going up there. Huh? Oh, up there. We're going up.
Alright, so we think we found Party Central here because we just found another fire pit.
On the way. That would be beautiful.
Oh yeah. Another fire pit with a 55-gallon drum or a truck rim. No, that's a drum. With stones around it, which isn't too far from the last one we were just walking past. So And somebody's been here recently. There's a rapper in there. So. And I hear a whistle going, so somebody... I wonder if that's West Penn Township going out. Tommy, if you're watching, it's election day and your whistle's going off. And yes, I'm back up here without letting you know again. Sorry, dude. Kind of spur of the moment. Random. Was in the middle of editing. Bored out of my mind. Got a text message. Jumped in the truck. Here I am. And we got another marker. Got Carbon County on this side, Game Lands again, and Lehigh County on this side. And this one's actually pretty well intact yet. So we're gonna leave that.
Might turn into a night hike on the way back.
What's that?
I said this might turn into a night hike
Yeah.
on the way back.
Probably.
Wow, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Something.
Ooh.
Like something I was taking on people.
Is that buck rub?
Might be.
Or is that too low?
I think they usually go. We saw one. There was like a tree like that, all the way up and down it.
Oh, wow.
That was at the a-hole. Didn't see that one.
Well, I can't quite answer the old adage of, does a tree make a sound in the woods when it falls if nobody's there to hear it? But I can prove that, yes, trees fall in the woods when there's nobody around to see it. See, they're everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's cut. Somebody cut this
Yeah,
one.
some of these were cut.
And that was cut from right there. And it's got a butterfly spray painted on it.
Yeah, Cliff would know what that is.
What you said?
Fungus.
You said something.
That's the fun guy.
Huh?
There's a fun guy over there.
Over there.
Hey,
Okay, that's probably the best laugh I've had all day. He just said he thinks they moved it since the last time he was up here.
nope, I'm wrong. It's still
But he's wrong. It's still here.
It's still here. They didn't move this.
We finally made it 6 hours later.
Don't come here on a bike.
Yeah, no, don't come here on a bike. He can vouch for that. He's done it.
It's a bike.
He's got the Jeep experience on the other side and the bike experience on this side.
The Jeep's more fun.
Yeah, well, yeah, I would think the Jeep's more fun. Unless it's Alan's Jeep, then he'll just break it.
I'd say it looks like a castle. And this is only the end of it.
Okay, so we've finally made it to our destination, and it was totally not what I was expecting. That is cool.
Okay. After all the walking and all these rocks, as you see the trail got really bad, we came to it. And here's the beginning of the Bear Rock. And I know it's hard to see what we're looking at, but picture the bake oven knob just away from the edge of
Yeah, well, I'm getting away from that then.
There are markers on here, I guess, like trails. Yeah.
Building.
Huh?
The rock.
Oh, yeah. The tree has grown around the rock. Well, the rock has grown through the tree, one or the other. I don't know. Do rocks grow?
There's a hole up there.
I don't know. Ooh, that almost looks like a pathway going right to it. Oh yeah, this is getting, oh wow. Yeah, I should be able to fly the drone from up there. So we'll try to get you some drone footage once we're up there.
Up here's the spot I said looks like a castle. And you saw down to the treacherous rock. And if you look, you ever still on the Appalachian Trail, it's just, yeah.
There's a little outcrop right there. Looks like an opening, like a cave, but it doesn't go in that far. I can actually see the back of it.
Hey, yeah, so starting to get bigger.
Yeah, And it just keeps going along this way.
Right at sunset, too, perfect. Right, right. Walk this way, too.
We're gonna walk
All right,
this
hon?
way. Something crawling up there.
Okay,
What the heck
trail
is
through
that?
Yeah, it's really
Dead now.
peaceful through
Come on.
here. You all right?
Yep.
Now, if you ever wanted to know where Bigfoot really lives,
Huh?
this is where I was if I were Bigfoot.
Cliff, are you here?
I think he was here once.
Wouldn't surprise me. Did I just hear a rock making noise?
Yeah, the rocks are loose.
Huh.
But these rocks won't fall.
Yeah. At least not very far. Is that a tremor? Huh? Uh-oh.
You all right? Sticker bush?
Yeah.
Stay on the path, but
Yeah, that probably would have been the smart thing to
probably
do.
made it.
As he falls.
Didn't fall. Just
No
stand.
falling allowed.
No.
We can't have any falling. I don't have Blue here to take you to the ER.
Yeah. No. Oh wow, it's gonna be a beautiful shot here. Yeah. Well,
Oh, a flat one. Aha, we're here. That's a cool sound. Oh, Bigfoot's poop again. Ooh. Somebody was up here cutting trees. That's almost like chainsaw cut. Could be axe. Is that? Oh wow, look at that. That is gorgeous. That was worth the walk.
I'm not sure where that room is, but we'll probably see it.
Oh, terra firma.
Get up here. Get back here. Yeah, we're going up this way.
Yeah, it's like a staircase. Wow,
There's a bunch of caves around
look
here.
at that.
Oh, I haven't seen everything here.
No, I guess not.
I don't know, I kind of like this a little better than the
I don't see no
bake
freaking
oven.
paint.
Hey, you're getting closer. Look, she's catching up to us.
Ah,
Oof.
okay, YouTubers, you've seen enough rock.
It might be a little too windy for the drone, but we'll see what we can do with it.
Why don't you down?
See what?
Same way.
Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, this is worth all the effort.
Oh, well.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's something.
Wow,
Now, if we wait
that
long enough,
is
the sun will
incredible.
get like a deep red.
Except for that orange guy.
We're up high enough that we're right along the tops of the mountains.
Orange guy in my shot there.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's RJ's way.
That is amazing. get up here.
Right down there.
Oh, look at this. You can actually crawl down in there.
And over there, that's the rock quarry.
Wow.
That's an Andrews Head.
Oh, you can see the windmill farm.
Way, way, way off in the distance. Way up top of that last mountain, you'll see the windmills that go from Monterey City to Centralia.
Oh yeah, there they are.
I have to set my camera.
There's the windmills.
See the windmills way off in the distance, huh? That's all the way up in Centralia.
So Centralia is definitely, yeah, Centralia is over that direction.
Yeah.
Sorry if that wind is bad. It's blowing right into the phone, so. But I do have the mic on. But I have noticed that it is picking up wind noise in videos, so hopefully it's not too bad. But look at that. That is gorgeous. Incredible. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna try flying the drone. It's just a little windy here. Just a little too windy for the drone.
Good luck. Along here.
Uh-oh.
Nice little. Oh,
We
wow.
find a home?
Trusty flashlight out.
We found a home.
I did.
Nice.
Oh wow. Let's go in.
Oh boy. Where's Cliff?
Yeah. Wow. It's small.
Cliff or JP. Either one of them will crawl in there. I'd crawl in there too. What am I talking about?
It's not that bad.
Let's take a look.
Little tight. Huh? All right. You gonna cook dinner?
Oh, nice.
Oh, I forgot the marshmallows.
Dope. Oh, there's beer cans down there.
Perfect. There.
Oh yeah, it does go back pretty far, doesn't it?
Let's see if I can.
Look at how these are stacked over top
I
of
know.
it,
It's
too.
like
That's
placed here.
insane.
And this place is not tripod. Yeah, plod. Tripod friendly.
Yeah, you just gotta know how to do it.
All in the balance.
All right, gonna pause you guys for a second because I think I'm gonna try to get down there. All right, kids, we got a light now.
Yeah.
Let's go take a peek at this.
As far as I can get comfortably, because there's a nice rock. Ooh, it's a.
He's already down there.
stand up
Cold
in it,
cracker's
at
already
least.
down there.
But yeah, there's gotta watch. There's some gooners hanging in here.
What's that?
There's some gooner rocks hanging in here.
No. Oh, here, give me a second.
I don't think we're both gonna fit.
No, I'm gonna pass this off to you so you can get a.
Oh, I was gonna let you go in. Hello, everybody. Yeah.
It's already recorded.
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna have to. Oh, camera just barely makes it in here.
You might have to
It's-
the wide end.
Well, as you can see, you can go back, but you gotta watch right above your head. And it just ends about, I can't move. I'm stuck. It just goes back. Ow. Let me shine a light on here so you'd see. Yeah, don't go back too far, much farther. Maybe about another 10 feet. You could probably walk going sideways, but with the camera it's kind of difficult. Alright, let me get back.
It's a lot colder in here.
Yeah. If you stand here, you see up. Got a lot of headroom. Oh, that's better. I had to turn around.
I'll show them size comparison.
There's half of RJ. There he is. There you go. Back safe and sound.
All right, I'm gonna turn you around and give you an idea of what he's in.
I'm stuck.
Yeah, see now he's tight. it's tight. It's tight.
Can you see over my shoulder?
Yep, a little bit,
Oh.
but enough. So, all right.
No, I think we need something a little bigger to live in.
Yeah, that definitely. Whoop. No light. There you
All
go.
right. No, it's not the lay. It's just.
Got stuck again.
All right. This isn't here before.
Yeah, I did so.
I'm gonna give you guys a good view of my good side again.
My camera's up there yet. Still rolling. Not bad. You can clean it out here in front a little bit. Probably make something, but those rocks are probably 50 pounds. The small ones.
Whew.
Oh, fade it out.
All right, that was pretty cool. I want to thank Chris for taking the camera there and giving you that peek. So now we're gonna go up. Oh wow! Famous last words. Yeah, see, even here, like it'd be neat to fly the drone over that, but you know what? Let's give it a shot. I'm gonna stop you guys here. I'm gonna see if I can get the drone up in the air and get you some cool shots of that, because that is just incredible.
Excellent.
All right, so stay tuned. We'll be back. he's gonna jump down that way, I'm gonna take the staircase over here.
Oh.
This way.
Yeah,
Boss said that way, so we're going that way.
you're going right. I'm following you, hon.
I actually think I'm gonna stop real quick and pull my gloves out of my hands are cold.
Yeah.
Let me, all right, putting the gloves on. Sorry for the shakiness. Hands are, it's that time of year. I'm gonna make our way up this staircase. Nature's staircase, we'll call it. There we go. Up we go. Looks like it's a smoother route here. Watch till we get to the top and it's gonna be just a straight drop off.
Yeah, that's a straight drop off here, alright.
Yeah, I called that.
I'm trying to find that place of calling the room.
Yeah.
It's around here somewhere. You can see it from up here, but I don't see it yet.
We're not going that way.
No, we'll take the easy way. This way's the easy way, right, hon? And just watch
Follow the boss.
the holes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, watch the holes.
Yeah, this getting real show you. Yeah, you can just walk right on the edge of these and look down.
And if you're not careful, right off the edge of them.
You don't want to do that.
Definitely don't want to do that. This is only the second time I've videoed with you. I don't want it to be the last.
Oh no, neither do I.
Look, more grass. I need to bring a tractor up here and mow it.
That'd be a YouTube video.
Yeah, right?
I'm not to use your lawnmower.
Yeah, airdrop it in.
Got a little new growth forest up here.
Be like, how the hell did you get that up there?
Oh, look at that.
Repo chopper. Oh, wow. This is...
Yeah, I can't go over there.
You can see the quarry.
You can't go over there?
That drops off over there too.
Oh, because... Is that why you can't go over here?
You can, but it just...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're on Bigfoot's house. There are all kinds of caves and crevices.
Wow.
Just gotta walk.
That's got to be at least
And like I said, I've been
40 feet. Straight drop. And you see... I don't know. Well, you can't really see it because of the dark, but... Let me take you off a wide angle. Maybe you'll see it. Oh, that's better. Oh, that's much better. But now we gotta focus. Turn the light off. Focus. Focus. There we go. Okay, so.
I'm up here. It might be daylight now.
There we go. Alright. So it looks like that may have come from up here somewhere and slid down to there. That's a big chunk of rock right there. This looks like it might be caves down on that side.
I think it's down there.
Be careful, there's a drop right over here.
Where are we going?
Where you're going?
Oh yeah, there's a
You're on the right way.
pretty good. Again, straight drop. And then you have, looks like an opening straight down there. Right down in there. It might be like a little shelter down there.
It drops off there.
So,
You can see how the rock.
and check that out. That's pretty cool. So now we gotta head up this way, so.
Oh, we can't go that way. Drop off everywhere.
Alright, here we go.
Get dark. No path.
Ooh, look at this.
Hi, Jake.
Huh?
It's all.
Wow. This is like a little rock apartment. There's the bedroom over here. Not quite the desired wallpaper that I would like, but huh. I want to apologize if there was any weird noises again with the mic. I forgot to put the phone back in airplane mode, but we're back in airplane mode now, so hopefully there wasn't any noise and we're good. So I'm gonna take the back steps down to the back to the first floor. Oh, look, there's the porch. Can actually get down to that way. That's pretty cool. So we got a staircase over here.
Yeah.
Nice. What in the?
All
me.
that stuff.
That's some big eyes.
Yeah.
Stop looking at me.
Where are we heading at now? We walked
Yeah,
down.
I'm just trying to free up some space so I get some footage here. 'Cause I just ran out of space.
Oh, look at that sky. That's pretty cool.
Or deer.
All right. While he's doing that, real quick. Wow. Oh, somebody's been up here. Yeah. Wow. Incredible. Oh, look at that shot right there. That's freaking awesome. Especially over there, the way the sun's coming down. It looks like the sky is just on fire. That is neat. Yeah, this probably would have been a good spot to fly the drone from. Oh well. We got some good footage of that, so.
What are you walking to now?
Alright, catch up with you back down there. Okay, this is getting really interesting now. Now we got to figure out how to get down off these rocks as it's getting dark for the long walk back to the parking lot.
Big footsteps. As I say.
There we go. Take the Bigfoot
I don't know if I
staircase.
can see this. I went the wrong way.
Oh, you're doing good. Let's go down
Looks,
this
yeah,
way.
I was gonna say, it looks like
It's a
right where your
little
right
hairy.
foot is.
I
There you
can't
go.
even freaking feel the rock.
You see all right? Put my camera down.
Yeah, this is a bit of a step
Ah,
there. So.
freaking stick is poking in the ass.
His light works better. Well, poke it back.
Oh, you took me the wrong way.
No, this is the way. There's the path right here.
Oh, God.
See? There's the path.
Check that out. That's pretty cool.
Wrong way. Oh, man, the sky's turning pink now.
Yeah, it's neat.
Oh, man.
Aren't you just stepping?
I have the flashlight right in my face.
That's a good spot for it.
Oh.
Rock. Look at the
You
pie.
should have brought your mom up this way, hon.
Yeah, bitch.
Alright, look at the color of the sky through the camera.
Where's the pie?
Right here, right.
Oh, there's
That's nice.
You go fuck around. Oh, sorry.
Don't be.
See if we can find a better way down here. We can right here. We can get down right here. Yeah. Wait for me. Oh.
Yeah, I gotta climb.
Watch the loose ones up here. They'll bite.
Okay, so we found a way down.
Is it an easy way or hard?
Yeah, it's pretty. It's better than.
Jump, right?
Yeah. Jump and hope for the best.
I can't climb.
So if you come down around this way, right here, it's like a staircase,
I'm going.
and you can actually see ground down there. So we're on the right path now.
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
found a cave. Found a nice cave. Holy crap, it's huge. Look at that. Well, it's not that huge, but huge enough.
Where's the path?
If you go down, right there,
Oh, yeah.
just step down onto that one, and then there, and then there. There you go. And then he can fly from there down. He'll be all right.
You have wings.
So you got a couple different options here.
Ooh.
Probably just go down right here. That one moves, so just be careful.
Hey.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna check this cave out.
Oh, get out of here.
See what we got in here. Any dinosaurs in here? Rhinoceroses or stuff? Hippopotamuses? Yeah, well, it could make a good shelter if you needed it. Decent size. Looks like we got something there. Don't know what that is. Bigfoot's toupee. So yeah, needed shelters. This would definitely work. Just wouldn't be very comfortable for laying on with how open it is in the bottom. But I guess if you could makeshift something, put some sticks across there or whatever to make a bed, some kind of bedding, you could make it work. So, all right, that's pretty neat. Head back out.
We don't want to do that.
No, I gotta do it now so I can take video. It's saying I have no space.
All right.
RJ.
Looks like another little fire pit right there.
Oh, there's a bug. I didn't see it.
Oh, sweet. Wow, that's good back.
Yeah, that's could make for a good shelter.
Yeah. All right, can we spend the night? Wow. I never saw this before.
I'm not sleeping in the woods.
You wouldn't be sleeping in the woods. You'd be sleeping in the rocks.
I'm moving in here.
I'm going home.
This is all broken down from up here. Just looking to see if there's any other openings here, but it doesn't look like it. But I wonder if this is the room he was talking about. I think I may have found his room. I think I may have found your room.
Well, I thought it was down in the beginning there, down at the face. Alright, I gotta shut this on so I can
Let's get out of here.
I know.
Yeah, it's getting dark.
Where's the path at?
Still not scared.
Where's the path at?
Yeah, look for the
That
little
way.
blaze marks. There are blue blaze marks up here.
That resembles a wall, but there's some big chunks that look like they fell in from up top.
Oh.
But that almost looks like it could be a room. Is that what it?
It looked like that, but it was down over there
Okay.
somewhere. Wow. This way. I don't know.
Where's the path?
That way.
Down
There's
there.
yeah, there's ground right there.
It's getting hard to see, but there's a light.
I'm going
there.
down.
Yeah, it's cool. You see down there where I'm pointing? Of course you can. It's dark out. It's turning into a night hike.
There's another little opening right here.
Yeah, all I did was empty my trash, and I got plenty of storage space.
Oh, there you go. That helps.
You alright?
Yeah, climb.
Yeah, I'm pulling double duty here. I'm recording and giving her light so she can see where
Oh,
she's going.
jeez. My light's not that great. It's...
All right, so as you can see, which I can't see you because the light's really bright, we made it back to the vehicles, and of course last one's here.
We're the
Park's
fight to
closed.
ourselves.
We gotta go. So definitely interesting. Like I said, the Bake Oven Knob I've been to already, but the Bear Rock I have not been to, so that was definitely a nice bonus for me, and I'm glad that he suggested it and brought us out to that to show that to me. So thank you for doing that.
No problem.
Also, thank you for the random message of, hey, what are you doing? I'm off today, you know. So that was definitely a
Go
cool
figure.
part too. So
Excellent.
don't forget to check out his channel. He's exploring with the coal cracker. Brain farts sometimes. I caught it, but help bring his sub count up. He's kind of down there, so we want to bring him up, catch up with us.
I'm at 370 now.
370. There you go.
Getting
So
there.
well, you know,
1 year
Show him
old.
some support.
1 year old.
show him some support, and you know, send him some subscriptions, and you know, like his videos and check him out. Definitely, if you're into the coal region stuff,
I live in it.
he lives in it and he loves it, and he definitely explores a lot of that. So link to his videos will be in the description below, so you can check him out there, or you can just look him up as Exploring with the Coal Cracker. It's pretty easy to find, but I'll definitely put the link in below, so it's easier for you to find that way. So
And if
You
I
got any-
learn how to do links, I'll put his link below in my description. That's
yeah,
the word I
I'll
wanna
tell
say.
him how to do that before we're done here. So it's pretty.
I'm still learning. Still learning.
Well, he does all of this stuff on his phone. I do it on a computer, so it's easier to do on a computer. So, but yeah. Anyway, thanks for joining us, and thanks for coming along, and hopefully you enjoyed that. Make
What'd
sure
you
you give it a
think,
thumbs up.
My feet's killing me. Climbing big rocks.
Sort of, kind of new boots. So yeah,
Made it
deal
out
with
alive.
Yep, made it out alive. Had a good time, and I'm hungry. I'm going to get dinner. So thanks for
All right.
watching.